kids, it's Mrs. Compton again, and we're back for more math. So this time I have a question for you, and the question is, what do you know? So you probably know a lot of things about this, even if you've never seen it before. I'm going to zoom in over here. Let's see. Okay, so what do you know about this? Take a moment to think and try to get more than one thing. How many things did you find? You can tell me in the comments what you found. I would love to hear from you. Okay, so I'm going to take some guesses. I'm going to guess that you noticed that this was a rectangle and that the rectangle is split into two pieces. I'm also going to guess that you said the first piece is smaller than the second piece. Did I get that? Did you notice that? Okay. Then I'm going to guess that you said, well, the whole rectangle is worth 135. Did you guess that? Or did you see it? I'm sure you probably saw it. And this piece of the rectangle is worth 90. Did anybody think about what this rectangle would be worth? Did anybody think about that? I bet somebody did. Did anyone figure out what it's worth? Tell me if you did. Raise your hand. Let me see. Okay. Maybe you were wondering, could I find that starting number, the one that comes before 90, if I know the whole thing is worth 135? Well, I'm going to take some guesses as to what you may have done to figure this out. So maybe you thought, if this is 90 and I add 10 more, we could just pretend that that's 10 more right there, that would be 100. And this whole thing is worth 135. So maybe that kind of helped you. Or maybe you thought to yourself, well, I could do 90 plus 10 is 100. And we have to get all the way to 135. So 100 plus 35 is 135. So we know that this must be worth 45. Let's check that out. Is 45 plus 90 135? I think we may have proven it. Let's check this out. Let's steal 10 out of here and we have 35 left. And you already know 100 plus 10 is 100, and 100 plus 35 is 135. Did we get it right? That little question mark's 45. Yes! Okay, I have another story for you. I have to zoom back over here. Okay, there we go. Here's the next story. You remember our friends Lucy and Snoopy? We're going to see them again, but this time we've got a different setting or story. Go with it. All right. So maybe it was just Mother's Day and maybe Lucy was collecting a bouquet of flowers for her mother. Who knows? We don't know. All right, let's check this out. Lucy was collecting flowers for a bouquet. Then Snoopy gave her more flowers to add to the bouquet. Now Lucy has flowers in her bouquet. Okay, let's stop right there. Lucy was collecting flowers. Okay, can you see it? Imagine it. Make the picture. Lucy was collecting flowers. And then Snoopy said, hey, I've got more flowers for you. And he shared more flowers with her. And now Lucy has an even bigger bouquet. We're going to try to figure out how many flowers did Lucy have before Snoopy gave her more. Okay, so I want to share with you what the possible number sets are for you today. So let's check this out. You might choose the numbers 39 and 100, or you might choose 28 and 115, or you might choose 17 and 185. Now, make sure you have a really good strategy for the first set of numbers before you keep going to the next set of numbers. Always make sure you can solve with a really good strategy. Okay, so let's check this out. Let's try this story with, let's choose the middle number set today. Let's try it out with 28 and 150. Okay, so Lucy was collecting flowers for a bouquet. Then Snoopy gave her 28 more flowers to add to her bouquet. Now Lucy has a flower bouquet that's pretty big. Now Lucy has 115 flowers in her bouquet. How many flowers did Lucy have before Snoopy shared with her? All right, kids, it's time for you to pick your just right number set and check in with your teacher. I will see you back here next time. See you later. Bye.